Hey everyone, Ritesh here from OZ Book. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we're going to be covering why I prefer taking notes while I find something useful, and also I want to introduce someone to you people. Now, most of the time when we come across something really interesting, like all we do, like most of us, we just hit the save button. But how does that ensure that whether we have truly grasped the key takeaway from that video or not? So ultimately, it just boils down to a simple question: if we have understood the concept or not. So what are the chances that you actually remember something from this video like a week from now or 6 months from now? Probably less, right? I'll tell you why. It's simply because we have not taken any extra effort into understanding what that information is. So as I have explained it in my previous videos, if you are unable to explain something that you have just learned to someone else, then you actually haven't learned it. And most of the time, we just assume that we have just learned something just by hitting the save button. And trust me guys, a lot of us are guilty about doing this, including myself. So what can we do about it? How can we truly internalize the information? So now, if you want to easily internalize information, just start taking notes, that's all. It's not that hard. Just take your pen, open your book and start writing down. So now is the time to introduce the person who we were talking about earlier. She inspired us to create this video for you people today. So she specializes in personal finance, which is really important for all of us. I found a page on my Explore feed, and ever since I personally have become a huge fan. A big shout out to Shreya Kapoor, who's the one behind The Money Sapling. Haven't you ever come across a page that you feel is filled with gold and you need to let the world know about it? And guys, honestly, this is that page. This is one of those pages. So after you guys complete this video, kindly do check out Shreya's page, The Money Sapling, if you're someone who's trying to learn more about financial literacy. Now let's just jump into the theme of the video, that is how to get the best out of a new piece of information that you have just learned. What do we do with it? So as I continued scrolling through Shreya's page, I stumbled across something really interesting. Like, it was an IGTV where Shreya talks about how to fundamentally analyze a company. So I clicked it. And then the rest is history. Like, being part of building a startup, I felt like I had to know how my investors are going to think. Like, for example, Shreya thinks from a qualitative perspective, and which I really appreciate because even I think for the long term. Business is not something that's going to be around only for the next 2-3 years. Like, you want to create something that will last for decades. And exactly why I had to know. And hence I was driven by some kind of curiosity to learn more about it. Like, I watched the beginning and few seconds into the video, I realized that I will be needing to take down notes. So that is when the inspiration started to create this video for you people. Like, I anyway have to take some notes and might as well show you people how I take notes of something that I find interesting. And at the same time, I get the chance to appreciate Shreya's work. So once you find an interesting video that you want to learn from, you need to prepare some notes for it rather than just hitting the save button alone on your Instagram and YouTube. So take notes. You are anyway going to spend time viewing the content. Like, might as well put in a little more effort and time to get the best out of the information available to you. Now, I would like to share 5 basic things with you people that you must remember while taking down notes. Let's begin. Number 1. It's not necessary to write down everything word to word as the speaker says it. Like, note taking is more about capturing the insights of what the author is trying to say and writing them in a way that you can understand. So capture the key ideas by jotting them down. Number 2, note down the source without fail. Like, begin with writing the title, the author's name, the date when you got the information, and where you found the information from. If it's a book that you are reading, then you can just note down the chapter number or the page number. Or if it's online, then you can just copy the URL. It would be more than sufficient. Number 3, the order of the information is very important. So the order can be improved by writing your information in points. And it's also important to leave space between different topics. Like, don't treat your notes like garbage. If you write your notes well, you will actually feel like opening it and reading from it. Isn't that the whole point of taking notes? Number 4, write down the information correctly the first time. Now, this is important so that you don't have to waste time in the future trying to figure out what you have written. So while watching the video, in case you have not understood something properly or you missed out something, go back immediately and fill the gaps in your notes. Like, do not keep it for later. And finally, number 5, keep your notes as neat as possible and build your own library. The effort you put into building your notes will definitely pay off. Like, note taking doesn't end here. You will be learning a lot more in the future. So again, you will be coming back to add new information to your existing ones. So organize your notes well. Like, remember, you are taking down notes to help you get closer to the vision you are trying to achieve. Like, how can you expect yourself to reach closer to your goal if you're going to keep your notes away from you? Like, keep them close with you if you want to reach your vision. Now I hope you all will remember to take down notes while you watch something informative instead of just hitting the save button. So that's all about note taking, people. Now, this video wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for Shreya. Like, she inspired us to create this video for you people. So a note to Shreya and all the other educative content creators out there. Thank you so much for creating all this valuable information and sharing out with the world. Like, I feel nothing is more noble than choosing a life of service, and that is to help someone else live a better life. Like, thank you so much for doing this. And this video is just a form of us from OJ Book honoring other informative content creators out there for the noble deed they're doing. So keep going, never lose faith in what you're doing. We believe in what you're doing, and we are there to support you. All the best. Thank you everyone for being really patient with us and watching it till the end. We hope to bring you more valuable content in the near future. Share what you learn and learn what you share.